Even though our dogs are called retrievers, most of them are not very good at bringing things back until we teach them. So if this seems familiar, we've got some work to do. Ready? Go. Good boy! Good boy! Bring it here! It's really important to teach your puppy to bring things back, but don't let your dog get obsessed with fetch. Don't do it all the time. I just do like literally 2 or 3 throws a day. And the reason is that it can be really hard on your puppy's growing joints with all this sudden stopping and starting, especially when they're really clumsy because they're little. Teaching your dog to bring a toy back, you've got a couple of options. You can either have another toy with you and when the dog brings it back, swap it. Or if that's not working, you can have some treats with you and use that to swap. Let's go, Monty. Good boy. Come on. Monty, what's this? Tap? Yeah, go. Good. Monty. Good boy. Good boy. Excellent. Ready? Go. Good boy. Good boy. Monty, huh? Yeah, good boy. Go. If your dog is really obsessed with running away and literally will not bring stuff back, start on leash and warm them up with some recall practice first. Let them know you've got good stuff, and that way they're not going to be making mistakes.